Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to create this in After Effects. Let's start. Okay guys, welcome back. I will let the vector link and project file link in my description below. You can check it from there. So firstly, let's select this background and let's lock this layer. And then let's select this bus ID. Let's go to solo and go to pen behind, or you can press Y for that. And let's move the anchor point to here. Let's go on solo and then go to selection tool. And let's select this layer 1 and let's duplicate it with Ctrl D and move it to here. Select layer 11, go to track matte. If you don't have track matte, you can just click to here to enable it. And go to track matte and let's change it to alpha matte 56. Okay, nice. Let's select this layer 11 and press P, make position keyframe. And let's move it to here. And go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down. Select the layer 11 and move it like this. Select keyframes and right mouse, go to keyframe assistant and click to ease ease, or you can press F9 for that. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's really fast, so select the last keyframe and let's move it to the right a little bit more. Okay, as you can see, there is also a problem with the reflection. Select layer 11 and hold shift, press S, and let's uncheck here and change this scale like this. And this one as well. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's go to the last keyframe and select these 3 layers and go to the edit and click to split layer. And let's delete these ones and select these layers. Let's right mouse, go to pre-compose and let's rename it to 1. Let's click OK. Let's see. Okay, nice. Now select this pre-compose and let's duplicate it with Ctrl D and move it to the right to make it loop animation. Okay, I think that's enough. Let's go to the last keyframe and press N. Let's see. Okay, cool. Let's select this pre-composes again and right mouse. Let's pre-compose it one more time and rename it to 1 main. And click OK. Select this pre-compose and let's link it to bus body. Now select this layer 2 and let's duplicate it and move it to the up. Let's select the layer 22 and change it to alpha matte 56. Let's zoom and go to here. Select the layer 22, press P, make position keyframe and move it to the up like this. And let's go to somewhere to here and let's move it like this. And select keyframes and right mouse, go to keyframe assistant and make them easy. Let's select these 3 layers again and go to edit and split the layer. And let's delete these ones and select the layers again and right mouse, go to pre-compose and let's rename them to 2. Let's duplicate this pre-compose and move it to the right like this. And select this pre-composes and let's pre-compose them one more time and rename it to 2. Select the pre-compose 2 and let's link it to bus body. Let's do the same for the third window. Let's duplicate this layer 3 and move it to the up. Select the layer 32 and let's change the track matte to alpha matte 56. Select the layer 32, press P, make position keyframe and move it to the up. And let's go to somewhere to here and move it like this. Select keyframes and make them easy. And select these 3 layers, go to edit and split the layers and delete them. Select these 3 layers, right mouse, go to pre-compose and let's rename them 3. Let's duplicate them to make it loop animation. And select these 3 compositions, right mouse, go to pre-compose and let's rename them 3 main. And select the 3 main, let's link it to bus body. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there's a problem. And go to here. Let's press page up twice, like this, and press N. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, there is a problem with the third composition. And let's double click to here. Okay, as you can see, there is a gap. So let's fix it with moving the one layer to the back. Let's see now. Okay, nice. As you can see, we have the same window in the back. So to make our work easy, let's select composition 2 and 3. Let's right mouse, go to pre-compose and let's rename them to Windows 1. Now select this Windows 1 and let's duplicate it. And let's move them to the right to here, where it matches. Select these layers and let's delete them. Okay, let's select this second one and move them like this. Let's see the animation. Okay, nice. Now we can start to give animation to our bus. So select the bus body, let's go here and press P, make position keyframe, and go to 10 keyframe with holding shift and page down. And let's move the bus like this. Okay, but as you can see, there is a problem because we didn't link the window layers to our bus. So let's go to first keyframe and select the Windows layers. Let's link them to the bus again. Also, let's move it like this. And go to 10 keyframe again. Let's copy the first keyframe, press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Let's see. Now let's select this bus body again and hold shift, press R and make rotation keyframe and change it to minus 0.5. Or maybe let's make it 0.5. And go to 10 keyframe. Let's make it minus 0.2. And go to 10 keyframe again and let's change it to 0.5. Select keyframes and make them easy. Let's see animation. Okay, to make a loop animation, let's hold Alt and let's click to here firstly. And click to here, go to property and click to loop out. Let's click to here and let's do the same for rotation. Hold Alt and click to here, go to here and click property and let's select the loop out. Let's see animation. Okay, nice. Also select this bus shadow and let's link it to bus body as well. Now let's close this bus body. Now let's select this bus layers and let's close them for now. It's time to make a root line for our animation. So for that, let's go to pen tool and let's make one point to here and another one to here. And let's disable the fill and click to here and click OK. And change the stroke size like this. And change the stroke color to white. Click OK. Select the shape layer and let's rename it to road line 1. And let's open the settings, go to contents, open the shape 1 and go to stroke 1. Let's add the dashes and change the dashes like this. Okay, this is good. Now let's go here and make an offset keyframe and go to last keyframe. Let's change the offset like this. Let's see. Okay, let's go to down and let's close this road line. Let's see now. Now let's enable these bus layers and let's see them on the animation. And select the road line and let's move it to here. Let's see. Okay, nice. And lastly, let's animate these stations. So for that, let's go to pen tool. And let's zoom to here. And make one rectangle like this. Let's see here. Let's disable the stroke. Click OK. And change it like this. And make this one like that. Let's connect them to each other. And let's enable the fill from here. And click OK and go to fill again. Let's use eyedropper and select this color. Click OK. Okay, but as you can see, there is a problem. So to fix that, let's select the bus station, go to solo, and go to pen tool. Let's make a mask like this to remove this layer, like this. And select the bus station, press M, and click to invert it. Let's go on solo. Nice. Now select bus station and go to here, press P, make position keyframe, And let's go somewhere to here and move it like this. Select keyframes and make them easy. Okay, let's see. Nice. Let's actually move this station to here. So for that we will have to make a new shape layer. Let's close this shape layer for now. And go to pen tool. Let's make one line to here. Like this. And like that. Now select this bus station, go to first keyframe, and let's move it like this. Let's see. Okay, also let's go to the last keyframe and move it a little bit like that. And go to first keyframe, select the bus station, move it a little bit to the up. Nice. But as you can see, it's visible from here. So to fix that, select the shape layer tool. Let's go to pen tool and make it like this. Also select the bus station and let's move it a little bit more. Okay, let's see it. Okay, I think it's kinda fast. So select last keyframe and let's move it to the 1 second. Let's see it again. Let's move it a little bit more. Let's see. Nice. Now let's go to last keyframe, select the bus station layer and go to edit and let's click to split layer. Let's delete this layer and select this bus station. Let's press Ctrl D and move it to the right. Let's press U so we can see the keyframes. And move this one to the right as well, like this. Let's see it. Okay, nice. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please don't forget to subscribe channel and leave a comment in my video. See you in the next videos.